Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Filing a police report for harassment can feel confusing and intimidating, so let's break down what actually happens. The process begins before you even walk into the station. Your first step is to gather evidence. This is the most crucial part. Collect screenshots of text messages, emails, and social media posts. If you have voicemails, save them. Start a detailed log or journal. For every incident, write down the date, the time, where it happened, and exactly what was said or done. If anyone else witnessed the harassment, get their name and contact information. Once you have your evidence organized, you can either call your local police department's non-emergency line or go to the station in person. An officer will meet with you to take your statement. You will explain everything that has been happening and show them your evidence. Be as detailed and factual as possible. Try to avoid emotional language and just stick to the facts as you've documented them. After you give your statement, the police will create an official report and assign it a case number. You must get a copy of this case number. It's your key to following up. From here, the report is typically assigned to an officer or a detective for investigation. They will review your statement and the evidence you provided. The next step often involves the police contacting the person you reported. This is important to prepare for. The person harassing you will now officially know that you went to the police. The officer might interview them and any witnesses you named. After the initial investigation, one of several things can happen. First, if there isn't enough evidence to prove a crime occurred or if the behavior doesn't meet the legal definition of criminal harassment, the case may be closed. This is a frustrating but common outcome. Second, the officer might issue a formal warning to the person, telling them to have no further contact with you. Sometimes, this is enough to stop the behavior. Third, if the evidence is strong and a crime has clearly been committed, the police will forward the case to the prosecutor's office, like the district attorney. A prosecutor, not the police and not you, will then decide whether to press criminal charges against the person. Finally, your police report serves as a critical piece of official documentation. You can use this report as evidence if you decide to seek a civil restraining order or protective order from a court, which is a separate process but a powerful tool to legally force the person to stay away from you. The main takeaway is that filing a report creates an official record of the harassment, which is valuable no matter the immediate outcome. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more guides and information.